Today I'm taking you along with me to Tru Value to see what they have for the Christmas. If you're new here, I'm Renee. I share all things home related.
Years of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas will burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as.
They have these small tables here and patio, like this patio table set, or you can use it on your balcony or so. So these they have here. Over this section they have this decorated Christmas tree in their gold and red color, and then you know that they normally have their curtains, their candles, their lanterns. So I'm just going to show you a few stuff while I'm scoping out to see where they have their Christmas decorations. So I'm just looking around to see, but I'm just showing you some of the stuff that they have new here. You know, you can get your curtain, your comforters and all. Around this section I saw these with wooden spoon. So this wooden spoon here is $2,161. It's a set of 3 with this in this container. I need a wooden spoon set for sure. It's a 5-piece set. So it's like you have 4 pieces plus the holder that it is in. Then you have these cutting boards here. So if you're looking for these type of stuff, you can always come to Tru Value. Smaller gadgets and like spatulas. They have lime squeezers. They have scoops. They have measuring cup, knives. You know, you get all that here, and now is the time you can purchase some of these small gadgets as gifts. So if you're looking for some ideas, these are some great gift ideas. You can get a scale, and they have these electric knife set for Proctor Silex brand. So these are great to cut like your turkey or your ham, and they have this here for $2,068 actually.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I.
As usual, you know, they have a wide variety of curtains, they have throw blanket, and they have a lot of bins. So they have different size garbage bins, and they have them in stainless steel. And you know, they have the Sterilite brand. They have these vegetable choppers that store in the bowl. So you can get this for like $1,265 at Tru Value. Around this section they have some carpet. So they have outdoor and indoor carpet. They have bathroom sets.
Things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snow.
Still looking around to see where the Christmas stuff are, so bear with me until I find those Christmas stuff. But I'm just sharing a few stuff that they have here that you can get. So after scoping out the place, I finally found a few Christmas items over this section. Not a lot, but I'm going to go through a few stuff that they have here. So they have these Christmas wreath, and I'm not seeing any price on them. However, above the Christmas wreath, they have these solar light. These solar light are like $1,559, and they have the curtain string lights as well. And they have these type with 200 bulbs for like $1,742. So for solar light, that price not bad. And you know, anything that can save power and all from the electricity bill, it's a good buy. So always come on over and check out these. It's the first I'm seeing this brand around, and they have these Christmas rotating snowflake projector. This will give you an effect on the home to make your home get that Christmas feel, so people know that you're celebrating Christmas. And they have other solar light. They have this tree topper. It's a light up tree topper. This one is for $1,177, and they have other solar string light for $1,736. So as you can see, they look like they just stock a few lights. They have the Renzystyle lights as well for $3,948, and the price for the snowflake rotating projector with red lights is for $1,332. So to get that effect on your house, solar power, this one is a great buy. I think you guys can purchase this to keep that effect on your home, so that you're sharing the whole Christmas feel. For $1,326, you can get this floral arrangement with your berries. They have these Santa hats, and they have other Christmas light. As I say, I'm not seeing a lot of Christmas stuff, but there are a few stuff you can use around the home to get that decoration and all. But Tru Value, as I said, they have a lot of home decor products that you can come on and purchase. Over here, I'm seeing some light, and you know, no matter if you live in a rented premises or your own home, you can always add lighting. Put up the one that you get the place rented with, and so that when you're moving you can put it back. $9,038 for one, and they have other type like $9,000 and $9,600, so you guys can always come and check that out. Over this section they have some solar lantern, and these solar lantern are like for $6,477. They have them in warm white, so you guys can use this around the home just to give you some light up. And I see that they had some Black Friday sale going on. I'm not sure if when you come to shop they will still have any sale, but you can always come and check them out and see if they have any discount. One thing, some of their items are always good buy. Yes, some of them are a bit pricey, but some of their items are a bit different. You don't get them in a lot of stores. So most of your modern day item you can always get here as well. So you can get your solar outdoor lighting here. Around this section they have some other stuff. You can get your seed. As I said, if you're into agriculture, you can get your flower pot. They have other outdoor lanterns that you can use. These are like decorative baskets, and these are some other design lantern baskets that you can use. Thank you again guys for watching. Thank you for the support you're giving me, and I'm glad that you guys are enjoying this Christmas shopping series. I'm taking you to different stores to share with you the Christmas items that are available, and just so that you know where to go to get certain stuff for the Christmas. So I will try and post a video every other day. I don't really want to post every day, so I'll try and post a video every other day in December, so you guys can come on out and shop the places that you feel best, that they have the stuff that you need. So ensure you come on over to Tru Value to check out a few stuff that they have. And after I was exiting, I saw some of the Christmas tree here. This light up one is 6.5 feet for $31,000. So it's already pre-lit, $31,254. And they had this one here for $8,500 roughly. This one look like a type of foil paper tree, $14,771. You remember foil paper, the people might say. And they have this one over here as well for $23,200. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.